Welcome back to Tailored for Taste. So this is the date night showdown, the battle to remember between myself and this loser right here. I'm going to be doing a broiled salmon because he was trailing me in the supermarket trying to find out what I was doing. I'm doing a broiled salmon. I don't know what him doing, but it's not going to be as good. So, sir, excuse me 1 second.
What do you want me
Thank
to do
you.
this?
I
reluctantly ask right now. What do you want
that's
this
so
to?
sweet of you. Do me a favor. That need to warm up a little bit. Yeah? All right, so for this salmon, what I'm going to be doing, it's already salted on the top. So what's going to happen is that I'm just going to be adding a shield to it basically. Because if you put it under the broiler, it's going to burn up.
Okay.
So what I'm doing is adding a layer of protection. So in this mortar and pestle, I'm going to do 2 cloves of garlic, some dill, and some parsley, a little bit of lemon pepper. So what this is going to do is create a paste, right? All right, so a little bit of salt is what's going to help grind a little easier.
What is that as it was in there now?
Sorry, this is a little bit of mayonnaise and a little bit of Dijon mustard.
Okay.
So I'm just creating a little paste. This is going to be my secret ingredient. I'm using just a little bit of truffle.
Oh.
Truffle. All right.
Truffle is one of the most expensive ingredients in the world.
Facts.
Facts, right there.
Okay. So it's not a cheap date. All right.
Andre, just lose.
This is not just buck up a bus stop and go eat date.
By two
This
party
is,
kind of thing, no?
you know,
Like that.
you meet and carry her out and take care and all these
Yes.
things that.
Yeah.
What's that now?
All
What you
right.
just put in there, Harley?
A little bit of lemon juice.
Okay.
All
All right, so with our salmon, I seasoned them already, seasoned them on the top. And what I did is that I pat dried them a little bit, but of course, when you add when you add salt to any protein, it will draw more water, right? Moisture will come from it through osmosis. So with that now, I just put a little bit of paper towel under it, and it will draw up as much of the moisture that I can right now. I'm not going to be crisping the skin, so I don't necessarily want for you to eat the skin on it. What I'm doing is that I'm just creating a barrier under the bottom so that all the moisture stays in it.
Okay.
You need me to do anything else to you?
No, I think that would be about it. So, or if you wanted to, create your demise and put on the spread for me, but I'm not going to wicked too. Thank you very much, sir. So straight into the oven. You're going to turn on your broiler. So the broiler is going to be the hottest temperature in most ovens. It goes up to about 500, 550 degrees. So with a piece of fish that's about yay thick, not going to take very long to cook.
All right. So what are we going to have with the salmon?
What you're going to be having with the salmon is actually what we're going to plate up now.
Okay.
That is our pumpkin puree. I did a green quinoa tabbouleh, almost.
Taboo no one game.
Tabbouleh salad, what is it?
Taboo no one game.
Taboo is a game. I'm talking about tabbouleh.
Oh, same thing.
I want to see it for ask what it is. What is
Which-
tabbouleh?
Tabbouleh is a Lebanese condiment. So it's parsley, tomatoes, pine nuts, salt and pepper. All right, so first our pumpkin puree goes right down into the bottom of the plate. All right, so I'm just plating up the quinoa on top of our puree. So just put a little bit of the corn salsa on top of that for me, Dre. Just to balance it out, a little bit of dill, which is what we already used in our salmon dish.
Yeah, for the salmon.
And just like that,
Oh, dinner is served.
it's served.
Has a tangy mustardy taste.
That's from the Dijon. Talk to me nice. Go on. Go on taste. Go on taste.
Let me try the salsa.
So I was doing the salsa with the quinoa and everything together. That's what I was trying to do.
Right?
And it is a very interesting flavor.
Thank you.
Yeah, because it kind of comes together. You get a little tangy, you get
bit
a
of
little
everything.
savory. Nice, I like it.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, you get a little star right there.
A little?
You get a little star there, sir.
Brother.
We have more date night options after the break. Stay tuned.